Thank you for watching this training module on the AVPro Edge AC EX100 444 kit Gen 2. This is an 18 gigabit per second HDMI extender that uses HD-based T technology. By using ICT or invisible compression technology, this kit can transmit virtually lossless 4K HDR signals and will support any signal up to 18 gigabits per second. Deep color and HDR metadata remain intact, making the image free of artifacts like banding. This kit also supports a handful of other features, such as audio extraction, IR and RS-232 extension, EDID management, audio return channel, a built-in scaler, built-in test patterns for troubleshooting, and built-in USB extension for KVM devices, which works really well in commercial environments. Let's take a look at the installation. Thanks for checking out this training module on the AVPro Edge AC EX100 444 Gen 2 HDMI extender kit. By now, you should have already watched the video on the AC EX40 444 Plus kit. If you haven't already watched that video, we highly recommend that you watch that video before diving into this video. The reason is because both kits are almost identical in every way. From installation, EDID management, scaling, test pattern generation, all of the audio features, USB extension, and IR and RS-232 communication. The two biggest advantages of the AC EX100 444 Gen 2 kit is distance and the addition of the Ethernet support. This kit can transmit all HDMI signals up to 18 gigabits per second, up to 100 meters. Let's take a closer look. Now, as I mentioned before, one of the biggest advantages of this kit is the added addition of these 4 Ethernet ports. Now, what that does is that allows this kit to act as a network hub or Ethernet hub. So, for example, if I plug any of these 4 Ethernet connections into a router or an access point, the other 3 Ethernet connections become hot or live for hardwiring to a network. So, for example, if I plug Ethernet 1 from the receiver into an access point or a router, Ethernet 2 and also Ethernet 1 and 2 on the transmitter are all now live. So I could wire in a smart TV, a gaming console, even a laptop, or anything else that might need to be hardwired to the network. The only other major difference is the distance. This particular kit, as I mentioned before, can carry any HDMI signal up to 18 gigabits per second to a full 100 meters. Thanks for watching this video on the AVPro Edge AC EX100 444 Gen 2 HDMI extender kit. As I mentioned before, as long as you watch the video on the AC EX40 444 Plus kit, all of the features, functionality, installation is basically identical, which is the reason why this video is a little short. If you have any questions about any of the features that we talked about today, or if you're running into any issues while you're doing your installation, feel free, give us a call, 605-274-6055. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.